While you're sitting down at home watching random video on the internet, there are a lot of people on this website who are willing to pay you between $500 to $1,000 for you to do transcription job for them. And what is transcription job? Translation job is basically when you write something in one language and translate to another country's language. That's just it. If I should write something like, my name is Wilson, and we have it translated to Italian, alright? So on this website, these people right here want something similar to what we just done. This particular user right here called Ricardo, he lives in the United States and he's willing to pay between $500 to $1,000 for you to do a language translation job for him. Alright, so if you stay around to the end of this video, you're gonna be at the point where you can make him between $500 to $1,000 every single day, guys. Alright. There are two types of people on this website. One of them are the people who are willing to pay you money to get the task done, and there are other people like freelancer like me and you who are willing to get some work done and get paid. We're going to concentrate on the freelancer side and not the employer side. Alright, now how it works in simple steps. As a launching freelancer, you have the ability to highlight your skills, complete projects, and earn in numerous currency. Post your portfolio today. There are many projects on this website, and when you browse through the available projects and you see something that you know you're capable of doing, that you know you can actually carry out, you place a bid on the project. And once you are approved by the employer, the person who holds the job, you will try to finish the job on the agreed date, and once the project is complete, you'll be get paid. Alright, that is how it works in simple steps. And remember, no matter where you come from, where you are, be in Africa, America, Asia, Europe, Oceania, you can still sign up to this website and get things started. Alright, and once you start making money, you can cash out in various ways like Bitcoin, PayPal, bank transfers. All type of transfer you need are all available on this website. Alright, before we get started, there is one thing that you need to have in the back of your mind. That is your profile. You're gonna try to make your profile to look as professional as possible as you can. Alright, because your profile represents you. Your profile is just like your thumbnail. It represents if someone's even going to communicate with you. It represents if someone is going to click on your profile. It represents if someone is even going to click on your bid. Okay, you should try and put more effort in creating your profile because that is who you are, and it's going to determine how successful you are on this website. So have that in the back of your mind. So if you want to create your account, you're not going to click I want to hire. You're going to click on I want to work. Alright, I want to work, and you'll be on this page. The first thing you need to do is to put in your email address right here. Okay, but if you don't have your email address, you can actually sign up in 3 forms, either with Facebook or even with your iPod ID. Alright, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to create another account, so I'll walk you through step by step so you don't miss out on any point. Alright, because creating an account on this website is a little bit tricky. When you put your email address, you're going to hit on continue right here, and once you're here, you'll be asked to create a username, right? And you'll be asked to put your first name, your last name, and a password. Alright, then recreate the password, and once you confirm your password, you're gonna hit on sign up. Alright, and then they will ask you the question again, what do you want to do? Do you want to hire, you want to become a freelancer? Click on want to become a freelancer and confirm. Then you'll be on this page. What you want to do is activate your account. You can see right here they say hire BG, you need to activate your account. What you want to do is go to your email box and confirm the message. Alright, let's just do that. On your email address, you're gonna find a message like this. Hit on activate account, you'll be redirected to the home page. Alright, you can see right here they said get verified and start working today, but don't worry about that. Let's continue to the video. Alright, now come to this place where it says get started, and now you're gonna be on this page. If you want to hire a freelancer or you want to work, always click on want to work. Alright, and here you have 3 options. You said that you can list your service, your skills, what you want to be doing on this website, or you can just browse through the projects. Browse through the projects in the sense that people who are looking for people like you and me, a freelancer, who have something that they need to get it done. Here is the simplest form. Let me browse through it for you to see. Okay, when you click on that, you'll be on this page. There are a lot of categories and subcategories. Let me just choose translation language, which I put to be the most simplest form to me. Okay, when you hit on that, you're gonna be on this page. There are some people here, like this guy, he's willing to pay between $100 and $125 just for you to translate English to Spanish. This guy right here, he lives in Turkey, and he needs a translation from English to Japanese, and it's going to pay between $100 and $225. The potential of you making money on this website is huge. Let me say it like that. This guy also needs a PDF to be translated into Japanese, and it's going to pay between $50 and $75. And there are a lot of work lot of work here. Seeing these offers and doing this offer, and I believe in a day you're going to be at the point where you can make at least $500 to $800 every single day from this website. Let's click on this guy who lives in Canada. If you click on the job and you just go ahead and place a bid, this guy right here is not even going to accept you. Maybe he's not going to even look at your profile. Do you know why? Because your profile is not even set up in a professional way. There is nothing inside. If you just go ahead and start spamming this guy message, start sending the bid, it's not going to open your message. Because your profile, there is nothing inside. It's just like memes. Because a lot of people on this website, they are all professionals. Alright? Here, nobody know you and nobody know who you are. The best thing for people to know who you are is to set up your profile properly. You can see at the top page of this website is rating account successfully activated. Complete your profile to use all features. Right? It means that a lot of work you need to do your profile to make everything stand out like a professional account. Okay? If today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Wilson. What I do here is I do a lot of research on website who promise to pay you money for doing a lot of tasks. Alright? And whenever I see something that is working for me, something that I have tried out, something that proves to work, I will come to my channel right here and make a video around it for you so that you too can go out and start generating money from the website. So if you're the type of person who's looking for different ways to make money online and be your own boss, and what I just said interests you, you can subscribe to this channel and be part of the family. Alright? So that whenever I drop your new video on how to stay at home and make money online, you will definitely be the first person to get notified. And if you're the first person to get notified, you're going to be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to implement what I'm showing you in the video. Alright? Now, what you want to do is to click on this button right here that says complete your profile. Alright, and you're going to be on this page. The first thing is for you to put in your profile picture. Make sure you select a profile picture, alright, and put in your first name. Your last name is already here. Choose a country where you reside, okay, and put in your date of birth. Choose the language that you specify in. Let me just walk you through to show you how it works. Alright, if you select that profile, there is already your first name and your last name. Alright, choose the country where you reside, okay, choose your date of birth. Let me just choose random stuff for the sake of this video, okay. And hit and confirm. Here you need to choose your language, okay, put in your language, and here you need to write a little biography about you, okay. This is going to be the first thing that they're going to read. Any place to be, the person most like to check out the biography to see who is even talking. Alright, so here you want to be creative. You want to try to be creative as much as you can. You're going to write something similar to this. I create this account in form of a graphic designer way. You're going to write your biography based on the things that you specialize on. Okay, and the purpose of this account is for graphic design. Alright, you can see here I said design is something that has always inspired me. My work is always about experimenting, so I believe that experimenting is the only way to get my new and creative ideas. Alright, I take pride in putting my best and honest effort into delivering exactly what a client needs. Alright, and at the end I said kindly contact me with your graphic website and arts related stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna hit next and you'll be on this page. Okay, here you're going to be asked what's your category, what do you specialize on. Alright, for the sake of this video I'm going to choose graphic and design. Alright, then you'll be asked for the skill that you provide. Alright, I'll just go down and say image editing. Okay, you'll be asked are you a beginner? I'll put in I'm an expert. We'll hit on continue. Now the profile is a little bit okay. Alright, it's a little bit okay, it's not 100% but it's a little bit okay. Hit on later right here. Now if you go back to your account and check my profile, it's gonna look like this. Alright, but I'm not gonna go through all the basic steps, but for you to make it more professional, you can also change the banner image right here. Okay, and the other thing that you need to do that will show the client your proof of working is what we call portfolio here. When you click on it, you need to create a portfolio. This actually will represent the past work that you've done. Alright, all the past work that you've done, even if you don't even have any experience at all. Listen to me, even if you don't have experience, just create something new and put it here as your past experience. If you are the type of person who will do translation job, go to Google and type in something, translate it and take a screenshot and come right here and post it right here. Because when you send a bid, this is going to be the first thing that the person is going to look. It's going to check out your profile, your biography and your past work. So that is going to determine if it's going to work with you or not. Okay, now that your account is fully set up, what you want to do is go right here and hit on find projects. Let's take for example translation and job. Alright, you're going to see all the people that are willing to pay you money for you to work for them. This guy is willing to pay between $100 and $150. Okay, just for you to do translation from English to Spanish. And this guy is seeking for who can translate hidden for him. You can keep on going, and you can even load more of the page to see more. And one thing I should bear in mind is that all of these people are not going to pay you in real cash. Most of them are going to pay in Bitcoin or in different cryptocurrency. Alright, That should be something you should put in mind. Like this user right here is gonna pay in dollars. That's in dollars. This guy right here is gonna pay in Bitcoin. This guy is gonna pay in dollars. This guy is gonna pay in Bitcoin. Alright? You should always check it out to see what currency they will use to pay you. Okay? Now let's assume you see any job that interests you, you see something that you like, that you know you can go for. We are still under the translation category. Okay? Just hit on it to see what it's all about. What this guy just needs is for you to translate what is written here. Alright? And he say he's gonna provide the content for you in Microsoft Word. That means by the time you write a bid, it happens that this guy accepts your bid. You're gonna copy everything like I showed you earlier in the video, and you're gonna paste it here. Alright? Obviously it's gonna tell you the language you need the text to be transcribed to. Okay? You're gonna put everything here and choose whatever language that you need. There are a bunch of language here. Choose whatever you need. Okay? And you translate it. That is just all. You can see how simple it is. So for people to pay you this kind of money right here just for you to do a translation, it's mind-blowing. The same thing goes for graphic design and all of that stuff. Alright? So if you watch this video to this point, it means that you are so curious of making money online. What I want you to do is after this video, try to create your account to see what you can do. Alright? And if you're looking for other ways, other simplest font also make money online just by visiting the website or tapping capture. This video right here will definitely show you that how to make simple money online. Okay? See you till when we drop another video again. Peace out. Cheers.